So let's see how to add new email address in Google Workspace. So first you need to log into your Google Workspace. In your dashboard, you need to locate users and click on manage users. Then you'll see all the email address or the users. Now you need to click on add new user. You'll see three lines to fill up, but you only need to fill first one if you are adding only one email address. So just add your first name, last name, surname, then your email address that you are going to add. In my case, I've created a new email address in cpanel, so I want to use this email address that I'll put in here, the first thing before at the rate. Then I need to add my secondary email address, and then I need to select which domain I'm using. In my case, I'm using my first second one, and then I'll leave this all two blank, and then I'll click on continue and then done. Now you can see email address is added, but we are not done yet. You need to reset your password, because if you have created your email address in cpanel or somewhere else, then you'll need to generate a new password in Google Workspace. And for that, you can click on automatically generate or create password, and then it's done. And now still you are not done yet. You need to add the same email address in Gmail. So you need to log in to your Gmail with the same email address here, and you need to use the password which you have just created in Google Workspace. Then your new email address is added in Gmail as well. Now you'll be able to connect this to your whatever cold email software you're using. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then subscribe to my channel.